No, you punched her.
She came back to my seat. She walked back to my seat and punched me in the nose and took my tooth out. I am not resisting. You want to yell?
She walked in with a missing tooth, a convincing story, and a partner threatening legal action from a district attorney's office. By the end of this encounter, she was the one in handcuffs.
Battery one?
All
right.
No, you punched her.
Enough, dude. Back up.
Battery one. No. I'm 6 feet. We're good. Battery
I know,
one.
you're 6 feet.
I know, battery one.
Okay.
Battery
Who is she?
I don't know. She punched her, though, and knocked her tooth out. So when we get back to St. Louis, she's going to meet me and the district attorney that I work for. So.
Okay. So.
Yeah.
She came back to my seat.
This is on the plane?
On my seat. She walked back to my seat and punched me in the nose and took my tooth out. She's going to jail.
Okay.
Where do I press charge?
No, hon, I got it. We're going back to St. Louis. Not my dad works for the prosecuting attorney's office. It's not good for her.
So, were you guys coming in or going out?
I think we're departing.
You're departing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I didn't see
at what
happened,
point on the plane did this happen?
No, you need to talk to her. I just got here, so I don't know. All I know is she sent me a text that someone punched her.
Okay.
She came back to my seat. I'm glad you got that on video.
Where and when did this happen?
I was getting. Okay. Her seat was in. Sure. First of all, here's my identification. So I was in row 12.
Is this flight? The flight is coming in.
No, I'm leaving.
You guys are leaving Orlando.
You're to drink.
Okay, so you guys just boarded. So this is like literally now, like whatever, 20 minutes ago. Okay. So you never left the gate.
Plane never moved.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out.
Not to cut you off.
Oh yeah, no, I'm just trying to.
I was seated in 12A. Somehow I missed him, lost him in the airport. So I come to the gate. I didn't have a boarding pass. I'm sorry. I'm like really dry. I'm like really thirsty because it was. Okay. So I get my boarding pass. It's 12A. They asked me, "Can you sit in the exit row?" I said, "Yeah, fine." So I go in. I don't know who all she was there with, but her child, maybe 10, was literally standing in the row on his phone. And I was like, hey, can you move? Like, literally, I couldn't walk by. So he moved, and I walked by. She came back, and she got, don't ever talk to my child again. And I said, this is my seat. Are you sitting here? Get out of my face. I told her, get out of my face. She started punching me.
Okay. Fair enough. And how would you like to proceed?
I want to press charges.
Okay.
Hell yes.
And which lady is
She's right.
Yeah, so when we was boarding on the plane, I had the 2 car seats, so as I was getting the car seat strapped in, my oldest son was behind me. He can't sit down in his seat until I finished strapping in the car seat. When she got on, instead of waiting, she pushed him out the way and said, you need to get him out the way. And then she walks and goes to her seat. So after I finished strapping in the car seat, I went to her seat. I said, next time you address the parent, you don't address the child. You don't put your hands on anybody's child. She gets the screaming. Get out of my seat! Get out of my seat! She's pointing. I said, ma'am, all I'm telling you is don't touch my child and talk to me if you need me to get him out the way. So then she starts standing up as I backed up. And she's like, get her out of my seat! Get out of my seat! And she's getting closer and closer, and then she just mushes in my face. When she mushes in my face, that's when I reacted and grabbed her by her hair. And then that's when she went to go bite me. So then that's when I just kept pulling. She grabbed me by my hair. And then that's when we just got to tussling in the seat from there.
Gotcha. Okay, so you're saying that she hit you first?
Yeah, she definitely hit me first. Okay. The flight attendant can attest to that. Everybody that was right there, because I backed up. It was even a person in front of us.
Hello.
Hi.
So, can you tell me what happened?
So we were boarded. Let's start with that. So apparently the lady in 12A,
Just confirming we will be going out to gate 9 as well as into 85.
You got the lady with the child here, and you got the lady with the tooth over there. Okay.
so she was shoving kids out of the way for her to go crazy. So that was when everything started.
Okay.
She was shoving the kids. She was they would start arguing because why are you touching my kid? Or you're pushing out of the way. From 0 to 100. And then I tried to defuse it like the whole fight, but they were pulling hairs and they were punching, and I got scratching my head, but I'm good now.
In the course of their issue, you got in the middle.
Because I don't want this to happen.
Put your phone in something.
Oh, so I don't want this to happen,
So who, if you could, can you say who touched who first?
No corrupt ever make it to the
Touched this lady first?
everything exploded.
And when I say touched, can you elaborate on that? The other lady grabbed her by the
Had a great deal, and then everything just went loose.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, okay, yeah, that's what's happening. So, let's
So flight's 85.
okay.
Flight's boarding. This lady behind us is trying to get through. The lady at the gate
Okay.
she's already on the plane. Kids are in the aisle, farting around, whatever. This lady comes through, and according to witness, kind of pushes her way through the kids, blah, 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 yelling at the kids, get out of the way, get out of the way, pushing her way through. After that, she's sitting down. Mom goes up to her and says, hey, I don't appreciate that. Next time you have a problem, just ask and I'll get the kids out of the way. At that point, the other lady, they start screaming back and forth. This lady behind us grabs the other lady's hair. The other lady says, oh no, we're not doing this, and goes to town. Ultimately, you can see the...
Yeah, you know what's going on? Sure. So, obviously your wife got in some sort of altercation.
She got assaulted.
Okay. So
Let's make that known. Let's make that clear.
Okay,
she got assaulted.
Okay.
She's missing a tooth.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So, your wife has been designated as the primary aggressor of this whole incident, and so that, and the other party does want to press charges. Okay. So she's gonna be leaving with us.
Get this on video. Don't touch me.
Get off my foot and sit down.
Okay, don't pull me.
Sit down.
Don't push me. Oh, sit the down, you ugly bitch. Get off of me.
Man, you need to calm down.
Yeah, and get off of me.
Am I not getting off you? Because you know what? You're under arrest right now.
You're twisting my...
We don't want you
Come
to
get this
stop
on
resisting,
video.
ma'am.
He's twisting my...
Do you have a cage card?
He's twisting my wrist.
Do you have a cage card?
I'm not resisting. That's a lie. I am not resisting. They are pulling on me. I'm not resisting.
Do we have a cage card?
Get it. Get all of it. I am not resisting. You want to yell at me? I'm resisting. I'm not resisting. I am not resisting.
Let's go to the elevators. Yeah. Where's the elevator?
I am not resisting. Get off of me.
Lift your feet up.
You're cutting my hand.
Lift your feet up.
You're cutting my hand. Don't push me. Are you getting off on this? Don't push me. You're asshole. Don't touch me. I can move my hand if I want. Don't tell me to stop. You wanna be. Air cop wanna be. Get the off me.
Put your feet up.
I can walk. I can walk. I
You're
can
not
walk.
walking. Put your feet up now.
You ain't nobody. Honey, you ain't gonna be able to do. Get off of me. Get off of me. Yeah, honey, you can't do it. Maybe this guy can do it.
Listen, you're going with us.
Okay, tell her
So you
to
may as well
get
cooperate.
off of me. You're hurting my hand. You're hurting my hand.
Then walk.
Then get off. I will walk. Don't pull my hand. Walk.
Down the way. Where you going?
I'm walking.
You nuts.
Walk like that. No, this right arm.
You're going to the ground in 2 seconds.
Why are you making it so hard?
I'm not. I'm walking. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. I'm so lying. You're lying. You're lying.
Ma'am, what are you trying to accomplish by behaving like
I don't know. You're trying to get your hard or something. I don't know. Because I am walking perfectly normal.
Well, you're not.
I am. You're lying. I am.
You're not accomplishing anything.
Neither are you. Not in life or anything. I know. It's hard.
I'm already old.
It's hard. So am I.
Okay.
I'm tired. Military. Oh my God. Has she done a pat down before? When I touched my it's wet because the girl pissed all over me. She's never done this before. She's never done this before. Clearly. Girl, I got so much I'm like, find it. She's never done this before.
Ma'am, why are you behaving like this? What do you think you're going to accomplish?
I said I wanted to sit over here, then you wanted me to go over there. I'm done. I'm good.
Okay. We have a job to do.
Dude, I work with the cops all day, every day. I know that.
But you acting like this isn't going to help anything.
I'm not acting like anything.
Well, you are.
I'm not. You want me to turn to you? Ooh, touch me. Yeah, baby.
See, right, this is what I'm talking about.
Because it's ridiculous that the victim is going through this. I know she needs training. Fill me up. Get into my... you want my... I said I worked in the jail for 22 years. This doesn't bother me. Oh, my God. My toe. Ow, ow. My toe, I have neuropathy.
She might have to be rip hobbled if she acts like...
Yeah.
Tell me what you're doing and I'll do it. Okay, then get off of me and I'll sit down. You don't have to push me. I said I'll sit down. Don't push me.
Ma'am, you're under arrest. You're going to do it.
Yeah, and I said I'll get up there. You don't need to push me.
You don't need to act like that. Because you haven't
We're just
listened to
leaning you
anything that's
against
been
it.
said, so please do it.
There you go.
All right, okay, get off. You don't need to push me.
You don't make the decisions, ma'am.
Now you need to sit up here.
Listen, it's enough. It's it. You're in here. It's it. There you go.
Hey, watch yourself. Watch your
No.
No, she's going to be rip hobbled.
Get the rib hobble.
That's it.
Tie her up.
Ground.
That's it.
Go to the ground.
It must be embarrassing. It must be embarrassing to be so weak. Is this on video, please?
Sure is.
Thank you. Because you guys don't know what you're doing, clearly. Obviously, don't know what you're doing. Don't know what you're doing. Don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing.
Now you're going to stand up and walk.
Oh, my breast! Ow! My breast! Ow! 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 You're hurting my breast! Ow! 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 My wrist! My wrist! My wrist! My wrist! No, my wrist! I can't feel it. My wrist! My wrist! I can't feel it! Don't punch me in the stomach! Why are you punching me in the stomach? Don't touch my stomach, you fucking asshole! Don't touch my stomach! I'm a
military veteran, you cocksucking assholes. I on Desert Storm,
I'm able to get you
assholes.
here.
I don't
It's
care.
a ruse.
I don't care. I can't breathe. My arms! My arms! Ow! 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 I can't breathe. Oh my.
The legal outcome was not determined by what happened on the aircraft. It was determined entirely by the choices she made after law enforcement arrived on scene. Florida Statute 784, 3-battery actual, and intentional touching or striking against another's will, or intentional causing of bodily harm. A displaced tooth is unambiguous physical evidence under this statute. Florida Statute 843-2, resisting officer without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. Non-compliance with a lawful arrest, without any physical aggression, satisfies this offense. Florida Statute 843.1, resisting officer with violence, a felony of the 3rd degree. Refusing to surrender hands and physically opposing control techniques meet the statutory threshold under Florida case law. Florida Statute 784. 7 battery on a law enforcement officer battery against an officer during lawful performance of duties is reclassified from misdemeanor to a 3rd degree felony, carrying a maximum sentence of 5 years. Florida Statute 776-51, resistance to arrest. No person is justified in using force to resist an arrest, even if that arrest is subsequently determined to be unlawful. No exceptions, no conditions, no self-help remedy at the scene. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1,989 excessive force claims are analyzed under the 4th Amendment objective reasonableness standard. The officer's perspective at the moment of decision is the legal baseline, not hindsight. 2 airport staff employees with no relationship to either party produced consistent, independent accounts of the same sequence of events. Under established evidentiary standards, disinterested witnesses carry dispositive weight in primary aggressor determinations. On claims of respiratory distress during active restraint, a subject producing sustained and loud vocalization is not experiencing meaningful airway compromise. This standard is recognized in both clinical and legal proceedings. Lesson 1 post-arrest conduct is independently chargeable. 1 original battery count became 4 charges, including 2 felonies, entirely from decisions made after law enforcement was already on scene. Lesson 2 belief that an arrest is unjust creates no legal right to resist it under Florida Statute 776-51. The courthouse is the only authorized remedy for a wrongful arrest, not the gate area, not the moment of handcuffing. Lesson 3 independent corroboration is the most durable form of evidence. Multiple disinterested accounts converging on the same sequence of events are among the most legally powerful tools available to prosecution. No competing narrative easily overcomes this. 4 charges, 2 felonies. Every decision documented on body camera. The original battery claim may still carry legal weight. But that question cannot be addressed until the in-custody charges are litigated first. Was the force used during this arrest legally sound under Graham v. Connor? Did the primary aggressor determination hold under prosecutorial review? And what ultimately happened to all 4 charges? This analysis is not finished.